Hey everybody, Tom from Adpulse here. Quick vid on how to update budget schedules in bulk using the download and the export and import feature. This is great if you've got a lot of budgets that you want to insert pauses to. So Christmas is coming up, or you've got like Black Friday, it would have been perfect. So anywhere where you want to insert a pause and then keep a schedule going, okay? And you want to do it to lots of accounts in one go. If you've only got a handful, you can do it manually, and I've recorded another vid which I'll link down below. But yeah, now I'm only going to do it to one, but the process is the same. So here is my budget. Currently it has $5,000 every month recurring. What we want to do is change that to end on the 19th and change it to $4,000 because the client doesn't want to spend as much in December. Then have a pause from the 20th of December to the 11th of January. Then a little custom budget for $2,000 for the back end of Jan, and then to kick off the $5,000 again in February. All right, so that's what we're trying to do using the export function. So the first thing to do is download the budget data. Okay, so you want to download the current data, all budget data, and then import it or open it in Excel. I'm just going to use Sheets because I can do it in the browser and show you what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, cool. So each row is going to be a budget. So what I'm going to do here is this is the current entry information. So I'm going to end this on the 19th. And I'm going to change the budget to $4,000. All right, that's all you need to do to end the current schedule on the 19th of this month. We'll do the next future schedules as a different step. So if you download that as a CSV, go back to here. As you can see, this has got my recurring future, etc. So if I upload that file. One thing to note that if you're using CSV, using Excel, sometimes Excel can change the date format. So make sure you select the right date format when you upload it. There you go, success. So if I jump into here, I now have a $4,000 current schedule from the 1st to the 19th. Okay, so we've done the first step, is remove what was in the future, and we've just edited the current. Next step is to create those two future schedules. So I'm just going to re-download it because it's now got new information. I'm going to go back to my sheet. I'm going to go import, upload. What number up to? 14. I'm just going to insert this as a new sheet, Google Sheets. It's pretty handy like that. So what I'm going to do now is we want to create the custom schedule for here from the 12th to the 31st for $2,000. So we're going to use this first little bit. We're going to remove the entry because we need a new entry, and we're going to say from 2026 the first, what was it, the 12th to 2026 01/31, and we're going to make that $2,000. So 12th to the 31st of the January for $2,000. So I'm going to make that 2,000. Okay, so I've removed the entry. I've set my start and end dates, except I've put that as 2023. There we go. Cool. So that is going to create the custom schedule for January. All right. Now what you do need to do is remove all of the information about what it is spent so far, etc. Okay. So just those couple of fields, just those ones, and then those ones. Now what we need to do is create the recurring schedule from February. So from February, it's going to go back to $5,000. We want to create a monthly schedule, and we want it to be from 2026 02/01, ongoing. So we don't need to put an end date. We want to repeat every month on the 1st, right? So if that was the 19th, you would enter that one there. The start date is the day of the month. So we're starting on the 1st. If you started on the 19th, you'd put the 19th and that would still be 1. Again, all of this, just copy it down to all of the other budgets. Okay, so once you've done one, just copy these fields down, delete all that information, and then copy all these fields down. So this is creating from the 1st of Feb, every month $5,000, starting on the 1st of the month, every 1 month. And that's the custom server, right? 2026, just checking I've got all the dates right. 2026. Okay, cool. Download as a CSV. Let's go back to here. So at the moment, just to double check, I've only got the custom that ends on the 19th. I'm going to upload that file. And success. Let it think for a second. So now if I click in, there you go. So it's created that custom schedule from the 12th to the 31st of January for $2,000, and then it's created the recurring every February. So we've exactly done what we wanted to do there via 2 export imports. And you'll be able to do all of your budgets in one go. One thing to note, if you want your campaigns to pause during this gap, you will need to enable auto pause. Auto pause is built specifically to pause the campaigns when there is no current schedule. So as you can see, the current is this one because right today it's the 2nd of December. When it gets to the 20th, from here there won't be a current schedule, it'll just be a pause. So hit auto pause, it'll pause those campaigns, and then when the new current schedule on the 12th of the 1st, it will unpause all those campaigns automatically, activity will keep going. So you would save that to enable auto pause. And that is it. Yeah, that's how you do it. What am I doing? Yeah. Actually, I'm just going to cancel because I don't want to do it. There you go. I hope that was helpful. It's pretty straightforward once you get your head around it. You can hopefully pause and rewind this. Let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, thanks for your time. Bye.